If you want to get more visitors to your website without paying for ads, learning SEO is one of the smartest skills you can develop in 2026. SEO, or search engine optimization, helps your website appear higher in search results, bringing in consistent organic traffic over time. In this complete beginner's guide, I'll explain the basics of SEO and how you can start improving your rankings today. Let's get started. SEO is the process of optimizing your website so search engines like Google can better understand your content and show it to people searching for related topics. The goal is to attract the right audience by creating helpful, relevant, and high quality content. The first step is keyword research. Keywords are the words and phrases people type into search engines. Before creating content, identify the terms your audience is searching for. Focus on keywords that match your topic and have a realistic level of competition, especially if your website is new. Next comes creating valuable content. Google rewards content that answers users' questions clearly and completely. Instead of writing only for search engines, create articles, tutorials, or guides that genuinely help your readers solve a problem. Your page titles and headings also matter. Every page should have a clear title that includes your main keyword naturally. Organize your content with headings and short paragraphs so it's easy for both users and search engines to understand. Don't forget about on-page SEO. This includes writing a good meta description, using descriptive image file names, adding alt text to images, linking to other relevant pages on your website, and making sure your content is easy to read. Website speed is another important ranking factor. A fast-loading website provides a better user experience and can improve your search performance. Compress images, remove unnecessary plugins, and choose reliable web hosting to help your site load more quickly. Your website should also be mobile-friendly. Most people now browse the internet using smartphones, so your site needs to look great and function properly on all screen sizes. Backlinks are another key part of SEO. When other trusted websites link to your content, search engines see those links as a sign that your website is valuable and trustworthy. Focus on earning quality backlinks naturally by publishing useful content instead of trying to manipulate rankings. One common mistake beginners make is expecting instant results. SEO is a long-term strategy. It can take weeks or even months before you notice significant improvements, but consistent effort often leads to lasting organic traffic. Finally, track your performance. Free tools like Google Search Console and Google Analytics help you monitor your rankings, website traffic, and user behavior. Reviewing this data regularly allows you to identify what's working and where you can improve. So, is SEO worth learning in 2026? Absolutely. Whether you run a blog, an online store, a business website, or a YouTube channel with a companion website, SEO remains one of the most effective ways to generate free, long-term traffic and grow your online presence. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling us which SEO topic you'd like to learn next.